Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph in Excel. Now I want you to understand here that there are actually two kinds of bar here. So we have a column and we also have a bar. So I'm going to show you two ways. So for example, I'm going to click this one here and you have charts. So basically this is how a column is going to look like. So the bars here are actually going to be in a vertical. However, if you are going to choose a bar, so I'm going to go ahead and click this and then choose here a bar. So this time the information is now going to be in horizontal format. So yeah, depends on your choice, but in this case, I'm going to focus on the bar. So I'm going to delete this one right here. So when you click this one, there are actually a couple of options that you can see here at the top. So go ahead and choose whichever you want to use. I'm going to use this one, for example. And then you can go ahead and click this. And there are things here that you can change. For example, I'm going to go ahead and chart labels here. So you can see now that it is going to move as you hover over, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click this one here outside, and you can actually disable it by clicking this one. Another thing is, say for example, a legend. You can go ahead and add any legends here and put it or position this wherever you want. So yeah, another is change the name. So I'm gonna go ahead and type here Q3 sales, say for example, and you can also click this one in order for you to choose different styles or color options. So up to your preference. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.